Okay, here we go. So that's the extent of your injury. Instead of going to the hospital, you basically put a Band-Aid on that. So my thumbs are really just along for the ride. I'm putting all my pressure down. If you don't see color coming up on the stone, you're not pushing hard enough. But that edge, I'm not going to get it any sharper. And that's literally about 30 to 40 seconds. I've gone to the advancing position on the depth stop, so now the blade won't force its way back into the tool.
Well, the hard thing is to decide what tool to get first. So we focus on what we call core tools, and you know, beginning woodworker doesn't need all the tools all at once, but something along the lines of a block plane, low angle block plane is what we use. This one has an adjustable mouth so that if you want to tighten up the mouth.
I'm here to interview Roy Underhill, but I only see his toolbox.
Hey, leave us alone. What are you, a hammer?
Oh, come on, Roy.
Hey, he's not in here. Come on, leave us alone.
Roy, I know you're there.
I said leave us alone.
Oh, Roy, it looks like you've gone digital.
I think so. No, these are made from analog, actually.
Oh.
So there you go.
Well, there's no change in Roy.
Well, that's painful to say. Painful to hear. How you doing?
I'm doing great,
All
Roy.
right. Let me take these guys off.
Yeah, well, it looks like you've been busy with a box.
Yeah.
And you've been busy at Highland Woodworking.
Absolutely.
With drilling and sawing.
The big saw. That's our motto. May we cut one for you.
Very much. Really nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nick Offerman.
Nice to see you, Chuck.
Nice to see you. I tell you what, last time I saw you, we were in New York City on a special show for woodworkers. What was that show?
Martha Stewart.
Yeah, Martha Stewart. You were teaching her how to make a paddle, I believe.
A canoe paddle, that's right.
Yeah, and I was there with my rocking chairs, and a lot's happened since. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of water under the bridge.
Yeah, so you've done a lot of paddling.
I think I've done more than Martha has.